Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one do outrun me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely, just love me.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys been following me, then you guys know I've been doing like a Valentine's Day series of different wigs. I think probably every other day now. And so of course I could not let Valentine's Day get by me and not rock one of my favorite brands. And so if you guys want to know all the details of this hair that I'm rocking right here, then stay tuned. So this hair is courtesy of Kinkistry hair. If you guys don't know, I am a brand ambassador of Kinkistry hair, and I have been for over a year now. And so that has been one of my most rewarding relationships because I just love the hair. I love the brand. I love everything that it stands for. And so I'm super excited and super pumped every time I get to get new hair, every time I get to work with them and just, you know, rock the hair. So this year's Valentine's Day look is courtesy of the Kurliscious curl pattern. And so if you've been following me since literally the beginning, y'all, then y'all would know that my very first video, I believe, was the Kurliscious curls. Like, I was a young tender, y'all, like a baby. Just, it was over a year ago, and it seems like a year isn't really that long, but just to see the growth that I've experienced from that first video till now. And so to get this hair, and this hair is longer, is bigger, I don't know if it could get any better because it was already great. I feel like that's just kind of how my journey's gone. It's gotten longer, it's gotten bigger, and it maybe even got a little better. And so yeah, I just love the fact that this hair is just amazing, all around amazing. So like I said, it is the Kurliscious curl pattern. It's 4 bundles, 2 28 inches, 2 26 inches, and an 18-inch closure. And so if you didn't know, Kinkistry hair is human hair, and so why would I let that hair go to waste? I'm not. So I added it all into a unit. So I created this unit, and I'm super excited, super proud of myself of just the growth from when I first started making wigs till now. I've improved so much. I feel like after I created this wig is when I really kind of saw like how much I've grown and how much I've improved in my skills of, you know, making a wig and blending and bleaching knots and stuff. And so to see that improvement, especially with Kinkistry hair, because that's who I started off with, that's amazing to me. And so it has been, I don't think I've ever rocked a closure like this with Kinkistry hair because I just felt like I didn't really know what I was doing. So sometimes I would just not put the closure in, but just wear the bundles because it would blend with my edges and I would keep it moving. But to actually have a part, and y'all, I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. So these are my baby hairs out. I didn't style it. I usually like to show you guys what the curls look like before I touch them, basically, like before I wash them or anything. Only the closure was washed. The rest of the hair wasn't. And that's because sometimes the curl pattern looks one way when you first get it, and then it looks a little bit different once you wash it. But they're both equally beautiful. So I just wanted to show you guys it up close and personal like I do with all the hair that I receive. And so that you guys can just get an up close view of how the hair looks before you decide to spend your hard-earned coins on it. And so if you guys do decide to spend your hard-earned coins on it, then I always have a code for you that'll be right here so that you guys can save some money. So go ahead and use that code, y'all, for this curl pattern or any other curl pattern that you like. So yeah, I didn't do much to the hair like I already said. I did put accessories, and that's just because it is Valentine's Day and I wanted to just add a little bit of an accessory. But other than that, I didn't do much. But make sure that you guys stay tuned because there will be videos coming where I'll be styling this hair, and I'll probably show you guys after all of the hair has been washed. Like 28 inches right now, it already is past it's down to my waist. So once I wash it, y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I can already tell that I'm just going to be absolutely in love with this hair. This is that hair that I love when I get hair that I can just roll out the bed and just go on with my day. And I don't have to do much. And especially I got it looking real up there. So I'm super excited about that. I do have my wig grip on so I can kind of see my wig grip under the lace. And in some of my videos, you notice that I'll put the wig grip on, but then if I can see it, I'll take it off. I didn't feel like doing that because I don't have anything to secure the wig at this moment. And considering it's 12 o'clock in the morning and I need to be up at 4, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So just bear with me if you guys do see that there is a slight difference. But if you can see right here where this is actually my hairline, my scalp, and it looks flawless, then hey, we're gonna focus on that, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have to say. I'm always grateful for my relationship, so thank you, Kinkistry, if I didn't say it already, for sending me this hair. Thank you for the continuous partnership. Thank you guys for following and supporting and just liking my videos, commenting. You guys have been, this new year, y'all have been on it, and I'm so appreciative of the comments, you guys. Like before, not many people would comment, and I'm like, how do I get my girls to engage? But y'all have been engaging me, and it's because of these different partnerships that I get to try different wigs, and you guys are liking them, you guys are commenting or just giving your opinion on them, and so I appreciate that so much. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking, and make sure to share. Bring a friend over, tell them join the fam, you know, and we can have a good time. And so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy your Valentine's Day, and I will see you in my next video.
When you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave.